2025年世锦赛女双1/4决赛即将打响，双方将上演一场东德主义的正面对撞。一边是保加利亚的斯托伊娃姐妹，世界排名第19稳居欧洲巅峰；另一边是马来西亚劲女陈康乐，最新排名世界第2，状态火热。两队曾在巡回赛中交手4次，陈康乐一军以3比1完胜。
Such a joy. They play with big smiles on their faces too. So do the Stoevas, who are having a fantastic year after another European title. And yeah, if they can make it through to a semi-final at the Worlds now, when they're, well, Gabriella's in her 30s, Stephanie's 30 in about 3 weeks' time, it would be a tremendous result for the Stoeva sisters.
Straight away, we're getting into the rallies.
That's vice versa. Great
doing
save.
Well, yeah, to defend there. Tina Moridone covering her partner.
斯托伊娃姐妹本赛季在夺欧锦赛冠军，但在亚洲赛场里遭遇轮流。反观马来西亚组合，以连续在高级别赛事打入决赛，展现出强悍的稳定性。
And to look at her with that fairly slight figure, you'd be surprised. But she's got a wonderful technique, uses her whole body, such a fast arm. And that adds to the deception too, because when she puts her arm through the racket in the rear court, you've got to take a step back. You've got to be waiting. Saw Anna Zantonsen yesterday in a slight.
Rivaldi and Montari, who had quite a few of those high serve faults, or service too high faults, but haven't seen too many since.
打法上，斯托伊娃姐妹擅长防守反击，以拉掉消耗为主。 马来西亚组合则主打高强度平抽快打，速度与力量并重，可谓慢节奏 vs 快节奏的较量。心理层面，斯托伊娃姐妹经验丰富，但易受情绪影响；而陈康乐、蒂娜则以战斗精神著称，关键时刻更敢于冒险。
Moving well, the Bulgarians.
That's what's been impressive. The game they've actually had. I can't see them getting to another major medal after this, if you like. So this might be one of their last hurrahs. I'm sure they'll keep playing and strong. These two really are. I'm not sure how many other females in this tournament play both. Well, certainly at this sort of level, there might have been a couple from nations where badminton isn't as sort of popular.
I mean, they've been carrying the flag for Bulgaria for quite some time now.
Well, them and Toma Popov Senior, of course.
Yes. 4 matches in the past. So this opening match will be important. Opening game.
Oi.
I just well to pick it up there. 13. It's the most they've had. It's the biggest lead we've had actually in this opening game so far.
The way Pearly Chan hits that drop shot, by the way, it's actually one of the most difficult deceptions in badminton, especially when the pace of the game is this high. To move fast and then to swing fast and then play a slow shot is very difficult to get the timing right. And she's such a natural player.
It just all sounds like an oxymoron, to move fast and to play fast and then to hit the slow shot. It sounds very confusing, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really is impressive. attribute that they've always had. They've done that clearly. I mean, they look like they spend all day in the gym, don't they? But pick and choose when they're playing. I think to get the balance right so that they're enjoying their sport is key, and one of the reasons why they're having such a great year. They were so dominant at the Europeans. They toughed them with ease. The second game was...
Their controls, dominance. They've been one of the best pairs of 2025, Tarantina. Just, you know...
For Tarantina to pick up the mantle. But still, for me, Liu and Tan are at a different level to any other doubles pair in the world.
40.
Are going mad as Delphine Delru and Tom Jikel just take the opener in their match.
是欧洲铁臂能拖入消耗，还是马来西亚风暴再度横扫？悬念即将揭晓。
Stephanie could have stepped in there and really tried to take the initiative from the net. That's more like it. Oh, Tina does so well.
Oh.
Rotational roll there to get Tina to the net, with Pearly Tan then taking on the big smash. On the rear court, why would you give her a high flick serve to allow her to have that attacking advantage straight away in the rally? Doesn't make a lot of sense to me.
High lift.
Pearly Tan took at least two look in a very different way. I think they can make minor adjustments. They might say, for example, when we get and you do that to get into the net or something.
As you see in game 2, Tarantina already starting to carve out bigger leads. In the China Open, it was semi-finals against Jia and Zhang that they fell short. Won the Thai Open, of course.
Olympic Games gold medalist.
But Rusman Razak also put Tarantina together. The guy sitting next to Mainaki, right?
Yes.
He's the one who found that pairing.
Right, and so they know their players really well. They know what their players can do, and they're also got an elite level strategic mind behind them, which is why we see Tarantina making changes, trying different things, and being so effective with it. Oh, that's a great block. And so the rallies typically are longer, 40 shots, and it was almost a world record match in terms of length of time, which featured Tarantina. So we know they're capable of that. That physicality has always been there. There was a moment in the opening they haven't had enough. They've had too few ideas to change this. It was proven last night that Matsumoto and Fukushima at the moment are not one of the world's best, because they let the Stoevas combat them. But you look at these pairs, the top Chinese pairs, the top Koreans, I don't think.
Oh.